How I can find digital code on Amazon 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how I can find digital code on Amazon 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we can just head over to our browser because it doesn't have any option yet on our app. So just head over to the browser and head over to amazon.com and then sign in your account. After that, just click on these three lines up here and then click on your account option right there. And then from in there, you can see your orders. So just click on see all right here and you will see all your orders. So what you need to do is just click on this filter right here and then just click on this digital orders and then click on this filter by 30 days, 3 months, or 2023. You can apply anything that you want. So I'll apply 2023 and click on apply, and then it will proceed to a page wherein you can see all your digital orders. So if you have any digital order, it will show up here, but since I don't have one yet, then it won't show up to me. But if you have some, it will show up there and you can easily see your digital code. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to find digital code in Amazon 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.